Here we have the Graco TrueCoat 360 DSP paint sprayer. I've had this for about 1.5 years and I have done so many paint projects with it. It makes it so much easier. So let's talk about it. First, I love that it's got this bag that it keeps it all contained and dust-free when not in use. It ships with a few flex liner paint bags, which I'll show you those in a minute, and 2 different size spray tips. Now to use, I prefer to strain the paint, so I'm going to pop the little paint strainer in there, and then I'm going to run my paint through it to fill up the flex liner bag. I've seen reviews and comments on other videos where people say the paint sprayer clogs on them. I have never had that happen, and I use this a lot. I think straining it is the key. You really want to make sure there's no debris in the paint so it could get in there and clog up the machine. I also clean the machine really good when I'm done using it, so again, I think that helps. Now that it's full, we're going to insert it into the sprayer. When you're reloading your sprayer, you want to make sure it's upside down like this, otherwise the paint that gets in the lid here is going to spill all over the place. And then when you're ready, you're just going to flip it right side up, pop it onto the flex liner bag, and we're going to twist it closed. Make sure the arrow lines up here with that little blue sticker, and you're good to go. We're going to first get rid of the air. You just open this little valve here, squeeze the air out of the bag. Keep squeezing that flex liner bag until all of the bubbles stop, indicating that the air has been removed. Then you close the valve and we're going to give it a little quick spray to make sure we got all the air out. If not, you may have to repeat that process. I like to take a trash bag, line a 5-gallon bucket with it, and use it as my container when I need to spray in for waste. Easy cleanup that way. And then that's it. You just start spraying. It's that simple to set up. It's really that simple to use. It has 2 different speeds. Not only does it make it just so fast and easy to paint these vinyl shutters, but it does a really good job on wood too. Here I am painting some Adirondack chairs. I've painted cabinets. I've painted metal. I've painted so many things with this little spray gun. It is amazing. And here is the finished project that I just got done doing. I painted these vinyl shutters and I painted those Adirondack chairs, both with the same paint using the Graco TrueCoat DSP 360 paint sprayer. I mean, look at that. It is gorgeous. These were 17-year-old faded maroon shutters, and this sprayer definitely brought it back to life. It looks brand new. They look amazing. Highly recommend. I've got a link below in the description if you want to grab one for yourself, and be sure to subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.